Hi guys, Joel here with a new video, and today we're going to be snorkeling at a beach called Playa Peñón del Cura, located in Malaga, Spain. So this is a great beach for swimming and snorkeling because there's a lot of fish here and the water is very clear. But most importantly, what we're going to be doing here today is taking out plastic and hopefully find some sea treasure. So what I'm going to be doing today is I've got my bag with me. I'm going to go in, go down, see if I can find any plastic and take it out of the ocean. guys, so just got home from snorkeling. The conditions today weren't that great. The visibility was only about 1 or 2, let's say 2 meters. So usually it's a lot better than that. Saw some fish, which was good. No octopus today, sadly. But we did manage to get a lot of trash out of the sea today, which was good. So now I'm just going to go through some of the things that I did find today. So the biggest find today was probably whatever this is. I think it was an anchor. Now I have seen this before in previous dives, but I didn't manage to get it out. But today I'm finally managed to get it out, and it's just covered in, I guess, seaweed and other. It's just covered in metal, so sharp metal rope. And I think someone just tried to use this as an anchor, and it got caught under a rock, and they couldn't take it out again. So that's probably the weirdest find of the day. Other finds are mainly stuff like this, just pieces of scrap metal, a bit of pipe, a bit of a plate, an old beer can, and this is just stuff people chuck in the ocean and it litters, and it's really not good. So what I'd like to do is just get in there, take it all out, and make the ocean a tiny bit clearer. I'm just doing my part to make everything clean. Now, another thing that I find quite often is this fishing line. This stuff gets caught on the coral reefs, and it really does a lot of damage to them. So it's a shame, because fishermen, when their fishing line gets caught, they just cut it and leave it there in the ocean, and it just pollutes and litters, and it's not very nice. So what I like to do is I like to cut as much off as I can, then put it in my bag and throw it away. And usually with fishing lines, you get here, I'll try to get a close-up of it, you get a lot of hooks. So I found a hook today, and I also found an anchor, which is cool. I always like finding these because I collect them. So it's, it's lucky that I got this out, because someone could have stepped on it and that wouldn't have been very nice. So I'm going to dispose of this properly. And finally, there's just these odd bits and pieces. This looks like it's an element of some kind for maybe a washing machine or some kind of industrial appliance. So yeah, I found something like that today. And I also found this disc. So these things, I used to collect these as a kid. So you get these in like packets of crisps, and this one is of some weird kids show. I don't know the characters, but yeah, that's of some sort of kids show. And finally I found a bouncy ball. I don't know if it... Yeah. So guys, if you did like this video, please like and subscribe. Comment down below, tell me what you did like, what you didn't like. I'm always open to suggestions. I know there's a few changes I want to make, but if you want to, give your opinion on what you would like to see in the next video, please let me know. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.